You're here because your Bluetooth randomly disappeared, so let's get that fixed for you. I had this same issue just recently. Bluetooth was suddenly gone, PC thought it didn't exist, and it was grayed out in Device Manager. I spent a week trying to fix it, but there was barely any information online until I randomly found this Reddit post, which I'll leave a link to in the description. So I thought I'd make this quick video to help anyone out who may need it, because I would have definitely liked to have a video like this when I was trying to fix it. So let's get cracking. First, shut down your PC fully. Let's hope it doesn't do any of this, because you may be in the wrong place. Then switch off your power supply and unplug the cord. Once you've done that, press and hold the power button for 20 to 30 seconds. Even when your PC is off, the PSU still supplies your motherboard with standby power. So if your Bluetooth module gets stuck in a bad state, restarting your PC doesn't actually fix anything. By unplugging the power supply and holding the power button, you're discharging any residual static charge, which would fix an issue like this. Then just plug the PSU back in, flip the switch, and turn on the PC. Once you've done that, Bluetooth should be back. I hope this helps anyone who is stuck with this issue, and even in the chance this doesn't fix the problem, you can at least rule out this simple fix, which in most cases is what people forget to do. I don't want to make this video too long, so that's all for today, and consider leaving a like just so we can help out as many people as we can with this issue. Bye for now.